Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word clumsy, its meaning, definition and the example. Clumsy. The definition of clumsy is someone or something that is shaped, made or moves awkwardly. The synonyms of clumsy are awkward, klutzy, graceless, unhandy. Now let me show the example of clumsy word in sentences are: her accent was still there, but the clumsy speech pattern was gone. I admit that I was clumsy with the controls at first, but I got used to it. She might as well have been dropped out of the sky by a clumsy stalk. I feel clumsy, insufficiently prepared, a little unworthy perhaps. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.